lovely place. Tidy. Modest.
Your family runs the charity downtown, correct?
Oh yes, that is correct. You see, my father recently passed.
My condolences.
And well, I was supposed to be the main inheritor of the will. But my brother came along and he swiped it from me, taking all the money.
Well, you chose the right investigator for the job. Where should I start?
Who's this?
It's urgent, Francis.
What is it this time?
Can we come in?
You can, but Jamie...
How do you know my name?
My sister must have told me.
Just let us in.
Stay safe. It's just like my husband. Francis.
Hand it over.
What the heck are you doing?
Take the wheel.
The only one who gets to threaten my husband is me.
Belle's a liar. She's a leech on our family. Always has been.
You killed our father!
He was so sick, it was a mercy.
Your family illegally posed your business as a charity for years.
Yes, but I'm trying to fix it.
Liar!
You inherited the money, the manor. He went for weeks and you tell me nothing.
I never meant to hurt you.
Your husband pushed you aside for profit. He never loved you.
What about respectability? Honor?
You asked for this from me, but you give me nothing in return?
I'll walk away. We can get a divorce.
I said half, and you can have it all. Come on, let's go. Please find his body in the morning.
Why would you do that?
I said let's go.
Why would I do that?
I didn't think I had to do this. Now that he's dead, you get all the money.
Please don't do this. Please don't do this.
Goodbye, Jamie.